Hello, good morning to all. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Standard 8, Chapter 4, Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. Okay. Last lecture we had completed extra questions MCQ. Okay, MCQ तक फिनिश हो चुका था. Now उसके बाद में आते हैं आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. आपकी हेडिंग क्या रहेगी? आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है आपका what is a metal? Okay, question first is what is a metal? तो आप आंसर लिखेंगे substances having characteristic properties of properties like malleability, like ductility, sonority, conductivity, luster and solidness are called metals. For examples, aluminium, copper, zinc and iron. Okay, first question is what is a metal? Okay, and your answer लिखा गया है. Now question, what are non-metals? Answer is substances which are soft and dull. An example, known lusters, known sonorous, known ductile, known malleable, and poor conductor of heat and electricity. What are non-metals? Non-metals क्या है? The substances which are soft and dull. In example, non-lustrous होंगे, non sonorous होंगे, non ductile होंगे, non malleable होंगे, and poor conductor of heat and electricity are called non-metals. In example, आप लिखेंगे ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन एंड सल्फर. ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन, sulfur. Okay, question number 1 completed here. Now I am rubbing. What is displacement reaction? Question third is, what is displacement reaction? Give reason. Okay, please note down कीजिए second question. Question number third, what is the displacement reaction and give reason. Displacement reaction क्या होती है और उसका reason दीजिए. Reaction definition, a chemical reaction in which a more reactive displacement reaction in which a more reactive metal displacing which a more reactive metal displace a less reactive metal. A chemical reaction in which a more reactive metal displace a less reactive metal is called displacement reaction. Is called displacement reaction. Okay. For example, when zinc react with copper sulfate, then zinc sulfate is formed and copper is removed. Displacement reaction क्या है? When a more reactive metal is displace कर देता है एक less reactive metal को, जैसे कि यहाँ पर जिंक जो है वो कॉपर से मोर रिएक्टिव है, तो इसने क्या किया है? जिंक को कॉपर से रिमूव कर दिया है. कॉपर ने क्या किया है? जिंक की जगह, कॉपर की जगह पे कौन आ गया है? जिंक आ गया है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट फोर, व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन ए मैग्नीशियम रिबन इज हीटेड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर. 1 minute. What happens when a magnesium ribbon is heated in the presence of air? जब हीट किया जाता है तो क्या होता है? तो when a magnesium ribbon is heated, it burned with a white dazzling flame and a white powdery magnesium oxide is formed. Magnesium oxide is formed. 2 Mg plus O2. Then 2 MgO is formed. 2 Mg plus O2 react. When magnesium is react with oxygen, then magnesium oxide is formed. Now question number 5. Now I am writing the board here. क्वेश्चन 4 कंप्लीट कर लीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, हाउ डू मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स react with water. वाटर के साथ में कैसी रिएक्शन देते हैं? मेटल प्रोड्यूस देयर हाइड्रोक्साइड और ऑक्साइड oxides, hydroxide or oxides and hydrogen when they react with water, when they react with water, when they react with water, sodium and potassium react with cold water, along with the product of a large amount of heat. Magnesium react with boiling water and now I am writing the question number 4 here. Boiling water and iron with steam. Gold, silver and platinum do not react with water. Non-metals do not react with water. Okay. Here you have to complete your 5 answer. Okay. Now question number 6. How do metals and non-metals react with acid? एसिड के साथ में क्या रिएक्शन होती है? Metals react with acid to form respective salt along with the evolution of the hydrogen gas. यानी salt बनेगा और साथ में हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज होगी. With a pop sound, the equation क्या है? 2Na react with hydrochloric acid. Then their salt is formed. The salt is NaCl, sodium chloride, and hydrogen is evolve यानी निकल रही है. Zn react with H2SO4. Then ZnSO4 zinc sulfate is formed and H2 is evolved. There are some metals like copper, silver, gold and platinum that do not liberate hydrogen. ये जब एसिड के साथ में रिएक्शन करते हैं हाइड्रोजन को रिलीज नहीं करते हैं. जनरली नॉन मेटल्स डू नॉट रिएक्ट विद एसिड. नॉन मेटल्स जो होते हैं वो एसिड के साथ में रिएक्शन शो नहीं करते हैं. ओके. नाउ हियर completed our chapter 4. Question answers completed. Please note down in your notebook and complete your work on time. Okay students, bye.